So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of freeze frame in the cross dissolve transition, or the transition is using only one clip, or if you want the transition to be smoother if it's causing some glitch. Now in order to fix all of that, just simply first of all let me apply a cross dissolve effect on my clips. Now here if I apply the cross dissolve, first I need to connect both the clips. Once I install the cross dissolve transition in between, here you can see there is my cross dissolve transition. Now all I need to do is to just simply, if I want to make it, let me just quickly zoom into the timeline so I'll make it even more clearer. Now here is my transition. Now one thing, if the video does not have any clips away from the transition or behind the transition, it will show a blank screen. So in order to fix that, just simply make sure that your video has some clips in between. So you can just simply cut out the video clip that you're applying the transition from starting and beginning. Apart from that, make sure that the transition is applied in the middle of in the middle of the frame. Now here in the alignment section, you can either select it like this way or this way. I would recommend you to select this middle part. That means the transition is applied equally to the both of the clips, so it will definitely gonna solve all your problems.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.